Have you ever wondered how you can upgrade your everyday gadgets while staying within your budget? We all know that tech products can be pricey, but what if there were affordable options that still deliver amazing value and functionality? Whether you're looking for something to make your home more efficient, your travels more comfortable, or just for some fun, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll explore 8 awesome gadgets that make life easier and cost less than you'd expect. Stay tuned because these affordable finds could seriously upgrade your routine. 1. Velcase Foldable Drone. Perfect for beginners and fun lovers. First up, we've got the Velcase Foldable Drone. This drone is not just affordable but packed with features that make it super beginner-friendly. If you've ever thought about flying a drone but felt intimidated by the complexity, this is a great choice. With its 1080p HD camera, you can capture stunning aerial photos and videos, perfect for those family vacations or weekend adventures. What makes this drone stand out is its foldable design, which makes it super portable. You can easily store it in a bag, making it ideal for travel. Plus, it offers features like voice control and gesture recognition, so you can take photos and videos with simple hand movements. It also does 360 degrees flips. How cool is that? On top of all that, it comes with 2 batteries for up to 26 minutes of flight time, so you can get plenty of flying in before you need to recharge. Whether you're a beginner or just want to have some fun, this drone is perfect for every age group. 2. Sekai Foldable Keyboard, your portable typing solution. Next, we have the Sekai Foldable Keyboard, a must-have for anyone who's on the go. This compact, foldable keyboard works with just about any device, be it your smartphone, tablet, or even your laptop. It's pocket-sized, so it fits easily in your bag and is perfect for those moments when you need to type but don't want to deal with the limitations of a smartphone screen. What's more, it comes with a stand that you can use to prop up your device while you type. Whether you're writing a quick email or chatting with friends, the Bluetooth connectivity makes it seamless to connect. It's also fantastic for mobile gaming, giving you a significant advantage over those small touchscreen controls. This gadget makes typing and mobile gaming much more efficient and comfortable. 3. DockSafe Chair Plus Storage, secure and stylish storage solution. If you're looking for a safe and functional way to store your important documents, the DockSafe Chair Plus Storage is a brilliant option. This is not just any ottoman, it's fireproof and waterproof, designed to protect your valuables in any condition. It can withstand extreme temperatures of up to 2000 degrees Fahrenheit, making it perfect for storing documents, cash, and even electronics. Beyond its protective features, this ottoman also functions as a sturdy chair. It can support up to 700 pounds, and it includes a hidden storage compartment with a combination lock for added security. You can sit comfortably on it while keeping your valuables safe and out of sight. Whether it's for your home or office, this piece of furniture combines security and style. It's the ultimate blend of convenience and safety, especially for people who have important documents they want to keep close but secure. 4. Car Steering Wheel Desk. Work or eat on the go. For those who spend a lot of time in their cars, this car steering wheel desk is a game changer. This compact desk easily attaches to your steering wheel, turning your car into a mobile workspace or meal area. One side offers a cup holder and meal tray, while the other side has a spacious surface for your laptop. The desk is made from durable ABS material and is lightweight, making it easy to store under your seat when not in use. Whether you need a quick place to work or enjoy a meal on the road, this portable solution keeps everything within reach. Now you can maximize your time on the road, whether for work or relaxation. The versatility of this desk also means it can turn your car into an instant dining room, allowing you to make the most of your day without stopping for long breaks. 5. Ivation Electric Cooler. Keep your food fresh anywhere. If you love outdoor adventures or need to travel with food that needs to stay fresh, the Ivation Electric Cooler is a must-have. This portable cooler has a heating and cooling function, meaning you can use it to keep food hot or cold, depending on your needs. It's perfect for long road trips, camping, or even storing refrigerated medications. The cooler features a spacious interior, which can hold food trays, bottles, and more. Whether you're headed to a picnic or need to keep drinks cool during a long drive, this cooler is up for the task. Plus, it's compact and comes with a collapsible handle for easy transport. For anyone who's ever struggled with keeping perishables cold while on the move, this cooler is a reliable solution to ensure your food and drinks are always fresh and ready to go. 6. Foldable Laptop Table. Work or relax in comfort. Working or relaxing in comfort has never been easier with a foldable laptop table. This is no ordinary laptop desk. It's sturdy enough that you can even stand on it without affecting its stability. It also features a built-in adjustable lamp, so you can work or read without worrying about poor lighting. The lamp is removable and foldable, so when you're not using it, you can tuck it back into the desk. This table can be used for a variety of tasks: studying, working, or even having a meal. It's easy to set up and fold down, making it perfect for anyone who needs to use a laptop or tablet while on the go. Whether you're in the living room, on the patio, or traveling, this table makes it easy to work from anywhere. It's a great solution for those who need a stable surface that's also portable and space-efficient. 7. Portable waist fan. Stay cool anywhere. If you've ever found yourself sweating through the day, the portable waist fan is the solution. This wearable fan can be worn around your waist or neck, keeping you cool no matter where you are. It's equipped with a brushless motor that runs at a speed of 13,000 revolutions per minute, delivering a powerful breeze. With 4 adjustable speed settings, you can customize the airflow to suit your comfort. This fan is also incredibly versatile. You can use it as a handheld fan, on your desk, or as a waist fan when you're out and about. It's perfect for outdoor activities like hiking, fishing, or working in hot conditions. With a long-lasting battery providing up to 22 hours of cooling, this fan will keep you cool all day long. Whether you're at a summer festival, working outside, or just trying to survive the heat, this fan has you covered wherever you go. 8. Ki-style car mount. Keep your phone secure in your car. Last but not least, the Ki-style car mount is a game-changer for anyone who uses their phone while driving. This magnetic mount securely holds your phone in place, even during sharp turns or sudden stops. It's compatible with iPhones equipped with MagSafe as well as Android devices, with included metal rings. The mount attaches to your dashboard using strong VHB adhesive, ensuring it stays securely in place. It's small enough to avoid obstructing your view while driving, providing a safe and convenient way to use your phone for navigation or hands-free calls. The magnetic hold ensures that your device stays put, even on bumpy roads. This mount will not only make your driving experience safer, but also allow you to easily access your phone for navigation or quick calls without taking your eyes off the road. There you have it, 8 affordable gadgets that can make life easier without breaking the bank. From portable drones and keyboards to coolers, fans, and more, these gadgets bring convenience and functionality to your day-to-day life. If you found any of these gadgets interesting, make sure to check out the links in the description for more details. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome tech reviews and tips. And leave a comment below to let us know which gadget caught your eye. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.